Hi, sup. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. So my name is Chazi. I'm from Kenya. If you're not from Kenya, or if you're in Kenya, probably you might have heard of me or you know me for some good reason, because I'm not known for any bad reason. I think so. So I'm a musician and a forex trader living here in Kenya. But sometimes I do streams. I enjoy vlogging, by the way. I love traveling. From the topic of the video, I think this is an issue that needs to be addressed. that needs to be addressed. I'm going to talk to my fellow youth. That's my boy child, girl child. Yeah. So, bro, there is this thing in it, pornography. Like this thing, it's really ruining life. Yeah, wase people don't talk about it. Like si rahisi uone mtu amekuja kwa media then akaongelea how this thing is ruining, but to me there's a time nikiwa high school, one of my friend was caught. Imagine jamaa alishikwa kwa stairs akimasturbate, and I was like crazy, but mimi sikumjudge, but niliona venye wase kwa class walikuwa wanamjudge nini. Mimi I was like it's just okay, si ni kutu imemfanya hivyo. Alafu pia at that time I was like okay, mimi sikumjudge in short tu, lakini hiyo kitu mimi sionangi ikiongelewa. 90% of you guys are masturbating. Man, this thing is so, ni kitu mbaya sana. You guys need to stop it because masturbation, kitu ya kwanza wewe ina ruin focus yako kama mwanaume. As a man unajua unafaa kufocus. If you are a man and watching this, as a man unafaa kuwa focused sana, like kuwa focused ile design mbaya sana. Lakini sasa every time you are just trying to meditate about your life, nini, then something just drags you to that place. Una feel unataka kumasturbate, na si hata una feel, you're going to do it. So mimi kitu nimekuja kurealize enye naweza kufanya uache kufanya hii kitu, uache kumasturbate, ama this thing is satanic. Uache kumasturbate, nimekuja kurealize is finding hobbies. So wewe from today after watching this video, if you're a person who masturbates, it's not a must you comment on this video or say anything, but at least watch the video and umepata the knowledge, umepata the message that I'm putting out using this video. From this moment, if you love singing, nataka ujaribu anytime uko very idle. Unajua an idle mind is a devil's workshop. So every time uko idle ndio inakudidingi kufanya that bad thing yenye tumeongelea hapa, ama kuwatch pornography. Many people are watching pornography, lakini iongelewangi like 75% of youth. Google if I'm lying. 75% of youth in Africa are consuming pornography. For real. So unaona tu time tuko idle hivi, ushafikiria venye utaingia kuwatch nginyo. Ushafikiria venye unaenda kuwatch nginyo, bado ufikiria venye unatafuta do, bro. So I want you from today, find your hobbies. If you love dancing, you love singing, you love playing football, every time you just feel like you're lonely, idle, tafuta tu place watu wanacheza body, just go there, play, sweat bro, ruka hivyo time unakuja kuna sawa kitu. So every time you are idle, you're just like thinking ndapata pia memory ya kucheza boli nao nini, you go play football with them. If you are a singer, tafuta memory, tafuta wasema alipenye wanaimba ama place tuko idle, nineka beat, anza kuimba bro. With time you will thank me, utakuwa umesawa kitu, you'll be healthy nini. Ama kama you are not someone who loves this mambo na games nini singing nini, maybe unapenda kuswim, tafuta tu a place tu, hata kama ni mtoni tu, endanga tu boyeke tu hapo time tu uko tu idle, and that thing will really save you and your generation, bro. So before I end this video, I also teach people how to make money online, because me personally, I make money online since I finished high school. I've never been employed. Nimetafuta job all my life, sijaipata. So there is a link in my description to create accounts zako za forex trading, so you can create your deriv forex trading account and the other broker that is in the link. Those are my 2 recommended brokers that you need to start making money. After creating, there is a Telegram group link on this description of the video or on the bio of this video. Tena enda kwa Telegram group yangu, then text me direct, we can talk and I will teach you personally how we can start this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.